Okay, so our accident was a pretty traumatizing accident for us because we were young and we're still young. But my sister was driving at the time. I was a passenger. We were driving and some truck just came by our side and he was like swerving into our lane. And my sister, tried to avoid it, but sadly we couldn't. So he just, he caused us to get out of our lane and we crashed into a building. So one of our aunts actually told us about you guys, and that's how we called and the office got us in and everything.
It's been great. Everyone is so kind, understanding. They explain everything and they always help us understand and answer any questions that we have. Yes, definitely.
Yes. I feel like the experience overall was great. Everything went well. They treated us basically like family because it was great.